And gals, this is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and look who I found. Everybody's mad at you because you sold your GSR.
I'm mad at myself.
Yeah, he wants it back already. He misses it. But there was actually, do you want to tell people a little rough story about what's going on? Because some people are out there talking about you're a quitter.
No, to sum it up, I got to pay for a lawyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, the car got me in some trouble. That's pretty much just the gist of it.
Yeah, and there's no video evidence of that. No.
There's no video evidence.
Because we don't do that on the street. No, that's bad stuff. We go to Mexico when we do that, but he made the mistake and did that, went a little fast in the U.S. and the coppers got him. So
yeah, it was time to get rid of it, and I'll build me something soon, hopefully.
Yep, but
something new.
Anyway, I brought him by. I stopped by his house because I wanted to take him for a ride in my Integra. How long's it been since you rode in my Integra? Since it was boosted?
I couldn't even tell you. Months.
Months? What was it? What power was it making then? Like 200 or something?
Yeah, it was like when you were having the boost problems. I think it ended up making like 240.
Yeah, it's a little bit more than that right now. It's like got like an extra 100 horsepower on top of that.
It'll be interesting. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. Oh, and my hood, my latch is broken now, so we put a little line down here, if you can see that. So that's how we're popping my hood from now on, because the cable's broken. Yep, you want to hold that? I wanted to show everybody on the YouTubes that I did get bolts and a nut on the backside, a bolt right there, and tighten that one up. So we are good. The motor's not going to fall out, hopefully, knock on wood. Right? You know, I hope it doesn't fall out. What in the world? Why is this loose?
That's always been loose, Brandon.
Well, it's not going to be loose anymore. Let me.
What is that?
That's the power steering pump, like, adjustment. Oh, it's really hard to turn. Has it always been like that?
I swear it's been like that.
Because I have the power steering pump tightened up on the other side with the bolts, so. Dude, that's hot.
I can smell the heat coming off this
thing. Can you?
Yeah,
Yeah, I was getting on it a little bit coming down here. How's that turbo look?
Looks good.
Dude, I don't want it no more. It's got way too much lag. You know how your car like had a little bit of lag? This thing's got a lot of lag. Yeah, I gotta go to either a ball bearing. I gotta go to a ball bearing turbo. That's the consensus.
Really?
Yeah. You like the setup though? Does it look clean?
I'll take that one. I'll put it on my next car.
What is it gonna be?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
I haven't figured that far out.
You need like an EF hatch.
Whew.
Alright, there it is. Okay, we're tight. Alright, close that hood. You want to drive?
Nah. I will in a minute.
Okay, well here, take the camera.
Alright, I'll ride, but
You'll ride.
I want to drive. I'll drive in a minute.
I'll let you drive after that. Let me move this. I was shopping.
You care if I put my feet on your ECU?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Where'd your glove box go?
And it didn't come with one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna buckle up.
Yeah. Buckle up for safety. We gotta go all the way down to Mexico again, so it's gonna take a minute. Probably need to fast forward the video now. We made it down to Mexico. I'm gonna get into second and we'll ease into it because I don't want to snap anything. knock on wood.
I'll tell you that.
So does it feel alright?
Yeah, GSR didn't have anything on it.
Oh really?
No, nothing. Nothing. Sheesh.
We'll go around the church.
The cams, I can hear them though. You're right. They sound a lot different.
They do. They sound.
It's like it's purring. Like it's kind of like I don't know what to call it.
And it might be like over dramatized.
Your idle's definitely low, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I need to turn the idle up. You want to drive?
Sure.
You want to drive it back or no?
I'll drive it back.
If you,
oh my God, you're idle.
All right, I'll cut that out of YouTube. All right. 0 to 60 on it.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah, I just
I'm
don't like.
surprised it hooks up.
Well, you know, we're getting into it. That's our Mexican buddy.
I'm surprised it hooks up. That's one thing I'm surprised about.
Alright, well, let's head home. Let's get out of Mexico. It's a long drive home. Alright, fast forward. Alright, I'll catch you later.
Alright.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye, everybody. Hopefully I'll be back soon with the car.
Comment down below, what should he get next?
Yeah.
I think you need like a 4-door Accord.
Dude, I was thinking like a 4-door Teg. Call it like the Boost Bust or something.
A 4-door Integra?
Oh
Maybe.
my.
Maybe a 4-door Integra. Adios.
Alright.